it it was somehow frightening to retire. I've worked in the government service for 36 years, and it was quite frightening to retire and not work each day because I am a single parent, but I have two. So I had a short retirement age at the age of 60. I retired. And it was quite challenging. But I am a strong person, so I, alam mo, natatawa ako nun eh. Palagi kong hinihiling kay Lord na bigyan na ako ng taong magmamahal sa akin ng totoo. May mga dumadating pero parang nawawala. Parang kahit anong pilit ko ilapit yung sarili ko, lumalayo sila. Ba't ganon? Nalulungkot ako. Pero sabi ko, ayaw siya ni Lord para sa akin. Siguro, magdudulot siya ng problema sa akin. Kaya sabi ko, hindi ko na ipipilit. Now, at the age of 65, I learned how to practice the art of Deadma. Kasi before I was so sensitive, lahat na lang ng bagay dinaramdam ko. Lahat ng bagay ay iniisip ko. But as days goes by, I've learned that don't let people have a free rent on your heart and mind. Huwag mo silang pabayaan pumasok sa system mo. But let me remind you, not all retirees are successful. Kung hindi ka marunong humawak ng pera, kung hindi mo nilagay ang pera mo sa right place, kung pinabayaan mong ibang tao ang magpaandar ng buhay mo, then it won't be a success. The first moment you receive your retirement pay, gawa ka kagad ng plano. Especially about your financial plans, you need to spend every day.